In this tutorial, we will be showing you a setup of a 1.6-gallon Aqueon mini cube aquarium used for freshwater fish. First, find a suitable location for your new aquarium, keeping in mind future maintenance, outside lighting that may cause issues with nuisance algae and temperature fluctuations, and the weight of your aquarium. Be sure to find a level location and use an approved stand to accommodate the weight of your new aquarium, as well as one that is appropriately sized. Next, rinse gravel and decor in fresh water. Slowly add gravel to the bottom of the aquarium until the bottom is completely covered and the gravel depth is 1 to 3 inches. Cover the base of plants and bottom of decor items with gravel to hold securely in place. Next, slowly add room temperature water to your aquarium, taking note not to disturb any of your newly added gravel and decor, and continue filling until the aquarium is about 3/4 full. Adding a water conditioner to the aquarium will help aid in neutralizing any chlorine typically found in tap water and help to reduce the stress on fish as they become familiar with their new home. We are now ready to add filtration and lighting to your aquarium. Plug in all your electrical equipment and install using the drip loop method. This will ensure that any water drips will not reach the electrical outlet. Install the filter, taking care to rinse any filter media prior to installation. Prior to adding any fish to your aquarium, wait at least 24 hours to allow temperature and water to stabilize. We are now ready to add live fish to our new aquarium. First, place your fish while still in the bag into the aquarium and allow them to sit for 20 minutes. This will help ensure that the fish are properly acclimated to the change in temperature from the water inside the bag to the temperature in the aquarium. After 20 minutes, open the bag and add approximately a half a cup of aquarium water into the bag with the fish inside. Wait 5 minutes and repeat this step again. Carefully allow fish to enter the aquarium. Some final tips for success. Keep lights on for 8 hours a day, but no more than 10. Doing so will help reduce algae growth inside your aquarium. Feed fish 2 to 3 times a day in small amounts. Finally, change about 10% of the water weekly to keep your aquarium looking its best.
MarineLand Contour's sleek and modern design makes it a perfect addition to your desktop or home. The MarineLand Contour features hidden filtration, cartridges, biofoam, and premium LED lighting. Bright and energy-efficient LED lights toggle between 3 settings to create the perfect atmosphere for your fish. The kit features a sliding canopy door for easy feeding and water care. Add GloFish to your tank for a unique aquarium experience.
Check out these cool GloFish products, specially designed to make your GloFish pop. GloFish fluorescent fish are like any other zebra, danio, and tetra fish, just with a dazzling fluorescent color upgrade. They absorb light and then re-emit it, creating the impression that they are glowing. They are beautiful, hardy fish, perfect for both beginners and hobbyists. GloFish Aquarium Kits make setup quick and easy to enjoy your new colorful fish friends. Each kit includes proven filtration and eye-catching blue LED lighting, sure to make your GloFish stand out. GloFish LED aquarium lights are designed to transform your existing aquarium into an exciting environment for your GloFish. These blue LED lights highlight the fluorescent colors of your GloFish and can be simply attached using an adjustable clamp. Wow! Now you can really watch your GloFish glow. Don't forget the decor! You can create a fluorescent wonderland for your GloFish with brightly colored aquarium plants, fluorescent accented aquarium gravel, and blue light LED bubbler. Your GloFish environment is ready to make a splash.
MarineLand Portrait's sleek and modern design makes it a perfect addition to your desktop or home. The MarineLand Portrait features hidden filtration, cartridges, biofoam, and premium LED lighting. Bright and energy-efficient LED lights toggle between 3 settings to create the perfect atmosphere for your fish. The kit features a sliding canopy door for easy feeding and water care. Add GloFish to your tank for a unique aquarium experience.